Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and today's lesson of the day. In our last lesson we continued our futures trading course with a look at the type of order traders use when they want a greater level of price certainty, the limit order. In today's lesson we're going to continue our discussion on how to place trades in the futures market with a look at another type of order, the stop order. So let's get started.
Okay, so if you haven't done so already, you're going to want to go ahead and hit the pause button and click the link above this video where you can register for a free real-time futures demo trading account so you can follow along with this lesson as well. Once you've done that, we're going to click the icon on our desktop to launch the trading platform login window. And once that comes up, we're going to enter in our username and password and click the OK button to launch the quote window of the platform. Once you've done that, you should see the quote window come up with the three instruments that we added in the first lesson in this module. And we're going to go ahead and click the blue down arrow beside the E-mini S&P contract, which is the ES contract, to bring up the trade ladder. As we learned about in our last lesson, a limit order is an order to buy below the market or to sell above the market at the order price or better. Like a limit order, a stop order is an order that is placed to be executed when the market reaches a price which is away from the current market price. Unlike a limit order, the stop order is an order which is placed to sell below the market or to buy above the current market price. Secondly here, where the limit order executes only when the market trades at the order price or better, the stop order turns into a market order when the order price is reached in the market, meaning that the stop order will be executed at the next available price in the market. It is important to understand here that, like a market order, the stop order all but guarantees that you will be filled at the next available price. However, that price may be significantly different from the price specified in the order. Now that we understand this, let's take a look at how to place a stop order on our free futures demo trading accounts. The process for placing a stop order is very similar to the process for placing a limit order. You simply run your mouse over the side of the bid and the ask that you want to be on. So in this case, since we're selling, okay, we're going to be on the ask side, and we're below the market here. So you can see it comes up with a little S and then stop, letting us know that if we click here, we're going to put a sell stop order in. And I don't have the quick click feature selected here, so it's going to take a double left click to place the stop order there, and you can see that that order comes up in red on the platform. So the current market price is 88.34 even, and I have a stop order to sell one at the market if it touches 831.75, which it looks like it might do right here in a second. Okay, so you can see that that order was just executed, and now I have a position on at 831.75, which is also indicated here with a -1. Okay, so the market cooperated with us on that one. Two things to keep in mind here. Number one is the quantity that I had selected here is one. You always want to make sure you have the correct quantity in before you click to place your stop order. And if I want to make things a single click instead of a double click, I just simply put a checkbox here in the quick click box of the trading platform, and then I can go in and I can place a stop that's going to be on the buy side this time since I'm above the market, and it's only going to take one click. And then if I want to cancel that, I just click in the stop column. You'll see the one there. I just click once on that, right click once on that, and that's going to go away. Okay, you can also cancel orders by clicking the panic button here, okay, which cancels all orders for all instruments. Or if you have multiple orders on that you want to cancel all at once, you can click the cancel button here in the quote window, but you'll notice that the position does not close. Okay, we're going to look at closing positions in a later lesson. Now, in addition to using a stop and a limit order, which we learned about in yesterday's lesson, to enter the market, you can also use, and more commonly, especially for the stop order, you can use these orders to protect against loss on open positions, or to exit the market at a profit if the market touches a certain price, which is what we're going to look at in our next lesson. As always, if there's any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and good luck with your trading.